Hello, friends. Yeah, today is another day. As you know, every day we have another objective. So we are going to start today on conditional statement. So that's our objective of today. On conditional statement, we are going to work on else and if and if. Okay. Yes. So now at this point now, we'll move on now on seeing, because what is first of all the objective? Yes, what is the need that we are working on this? Yes, with the knowledge of this conditional statement, you are going to obtain the objective of coming out with user authentication. Are we there? Then that's the first objective, that when you learn this knowledge, you can come out with user authentication, right? Like somebody input his password, right? You can give order. Then also, secondly, you come out also with decision making in finance transaction. By using this statement, you can come out with decision making in finance transaction. And also, by using this statement, you can come out with traffic light control. Are we there? Yes. So I'm giving you all this highlight because the teacher always give the highlight, and when they work, then now you can decide that if you wanted to come out with a particular section, you let me know. I can work on that. Yes. Then the fourth, we have also on the grade calculation in educational system. On grade, calculate grade. Yes, you can be in the educational milieu, and you want it, because all those analog that we have been doing, calculating grade, all those things that are stressing yourself for no good reason. Just write some few lines of code. So when you have this knowledge, you write some few lines of code and finish without any problem. Yes. And also, it's also good also for inventory management in retailers. Okay. Then we'll move further even for weather forecasting. This conditional statement, if else, or conditional statement as a whole, is very good. Yes. Also, when you move at the point of game, yes, game development also is very important. Are we there? Then finally, also have smart home automation. Yes, I don't know if you're a civil engineer, electrical engineer, you can come out with smart home automation by use of what? Conditional statement. We don't have time. Okay. Yes, let us move to the lab and don't waste your time. Thank you. So when you go to the IDE, you expand the IDE, reach the platform. Okay, as I said, we are going to work on conditional statement. Conditional statement. Okay. Okay, now on conditional statement, now we have if. We are going to start with if statement. If statement. Are we there? Now on if statement, we are going to define if x is equals to 10. Enter. Are we there? We say if s is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, I would I say okay, print positive number. So he's going to print positive number if only x is greater than 0. Are we there? So when you do that, you press enter twice. 1, 2. He printed positive number, and obviously x is greater than 0 because we have x equals to 10. So we'll move forward for elif statement. Yes. for Elif statement. Okay, now for if statement, if we said x equals to 0, and we enter, we say okay, if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, I say okay, print positive number. And with print positive number, tap. Now make sure now this one to come right at this point. You have the same alignment with if. Then you say else if, right? If x is less than 0, if x is less than 0, print negative number. So if it obey this condition, it will print. If it does not obey, it will not print anything. Okay, print negative number. Okay, negative number. Jeez. Tap. So you look at it, did not print anything. Because why? All this condition it did not obey. Because x, if x, I asked him if x is greater than 0, let him print positive number. And x here is not greater than 0, x is equal to 0, right? Then I asked him again, if x is less than 0, print negative number. And x is not less than 0, it did not print anything. Are we there? Yes. So let us move forward. If we say okay, if x is equals to 0, if x is equals to 0, you got a sentence error. Maybe you mean it was what I was supposed to do. Is okay, they have corrected me here. Always double equals to, right? Yeah. So if x like this, okay, equals to 0. If x equals to 0, tap. Are we there? If x that is equal to 0, are we there? That was the error. Print if x is equals to 0, print positive number. Print positive number. Print positive number. Print positive number. If x is less than 0, if x is less than 0, print negative number. Negative number. Okay. So we do like that, we tap twice. You see now he printed positive number. Obviously means that the condition obey, because x is equal to 0. I asked if x is equal to 0, print me positive number. Or if x is less than 0, print negative. So he said he printed positive. Obviously mean that. So for this condition, he did not print it because why? None of them obey the condition. Yes, none of them obey. Now let's move forward. Now we have to continue on the third part. The third part is else statement. Else statement. Else statement. Now on the else statement, you say okay, if x is equals to 0, right? X equals to 0. So say okay, if x greater than 0, x greater than 0, make sure you always place semicolon. Enter x greater than 0, enter print positive number, print positive number, positive number. If x is greater than 0, print positive number. Elif if x is less than 0, if x is less than 0, tap enter, print negative, print the negative number. Print negative number. Bring this one back here. Print negative number, or else condition. Else condition, print 0. Tap it. Print 0. Yes, so now we are telling him that if those two conditions does not obey, let him print or 0. And wait there, they tap enter twice, enter. See now he print or 0. Because why? The two conditions did not obey. This first one, x is greater than, if x is greater than 0, print us positive, and x is not greater than 0, x is equal to 0. We tell him that if x is less than 0, print us negative. X is not less than 0, so he did not print us negative. So he moved again because he had to check. He checked here, there is nothing. He have to verify also here, there is nothing. So he moved now to s, ask him to print us 0. So he print us 0. Okay. So now to recap, as I said today, we are working on conditional statement. Under conditional statement, we have worked on what? If statement. On if statement, we have x equals to 10. We have if x is greater than 0, ask him to print positive number, and he printed positive number. I said if statement, if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, if x is greater than 0, right? I said to print positive number. If x less than 0, so you need to understand about this if and if. Then I ask him to print negative number. So this part now, this section, it did not, when he verified here, x greater than 0, it was not there. So he come back now on if he verified there was nothing. So there was nothing that was being printed here. Then now move forward for this other part, this section here. I say if x equals to 0. Well, how do you manage to have this error? The error is because we were supposed to place double equal sign. Double equals to. So if you are placing x is equals to, is double sign in coding, in programming language, is double sign, double equals to, okay? So I say if x is equal to 0. Now, because this is the sentence error, invalid sentence. Maybe you mean what they gave us the right what we're supposed to do. So please double, not this one, okay? Instead of yes. So they have corrected us. Now I say okay, if x is double equal to 0, print me positive. But if x is less than 0, then print me negative. So he print positive number. So definitely showing that x is equal to 0. That was why he printed positive number. So then we'll move forward. That really the Python is doing great work. We'll move forward now. That okay, on else statement, we said x equals to 0. If x is greater than 0, we ask him to do what? Print us positive number. But if x is less than 0, print us negative number. If these two conditions does not obey, else print us 0. So finally the two conditions did not obey, because this is the same statement that we did here and it did not obey. So finally we ask him to print us 0. So he finally print us 0. Okay, yes, thank you very much. Really, make sure if there's anything you can place it in the comment below. We are going to work it out. Yes, any doubt you let us know. Thank you very much. Moving on. So tomorrow we are going to continue. Okay, congratulations. Bye bye. Yeah.